In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a beautifully designed newsletter using Canva in just a few simple steps. Whether you're crafting a newsletter for your business, a personal project, or just for fun, Canva makes the process both easy and enjoyable. First, you'll need to log into your Canva account by visiting canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, it's time to create or open your newsletter design. You can start from scratch by selecting a template from Canva's extensive library, or if you've previously worked on a design, simply open the project from your dashboard. Now that your design is ready for sharing, it's time to download it in an email-friendly format. To do this, head over to the Share button located at the top right corner of your project screen. Click on Share, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose the Download option. This step is crucial as it prepares your design for distribution. Canva gives you a variety of formats to choose from, but for an email newsletter, select PDF Standard. This format maintains high quality while ensuring the file is manageable to attach and view in an email. With your PDF file downloaded, it's now time to transition over to your email platform. Whether you use Gmail, Outlook, or another email service, the process will be similar. Open your email client and start composing a new message. Begin by entering the recipient's email address, a subject for your message, and a brief introduction in the body of the email. This is where you can add any additional notes or context that your newsletter might require. Next, it's time to attach your downloaded PDF. Look for the Attachment button, often represented by a paperclip icon, within your email composition window. Click on it and navigate to where your PDF file was saved on your computer. Select the file, and it will soon be attached to your email. Before hitting send, it's a good idea to review your email, making sure all of your information is correct and your document is attached. Also, consider sending a test email to yourself first to check the formatting and attachment on your end. Once everything looks good, you can confidently send your newsletter out to your audience. Congratulations! You've successfully created, downloaded, and shared a newsletter using Canva. This simple process can be repeated whenever you need to distribute updates, announcements, or creative content. Remember, with Canva, each newsletter can be as unique and engaging as you desire. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!